In a celebration of the Patrol's rich history and deeply rooted connection to the region, Nissan launched the new 2022 Patrol 70th anniversary model in the region, following its world premiere at Expo 2022 Dubai. Furthering the iconic SUV's success in the Middle East, the 2022 Patrol 70th anniversary is a commemorative model exclusive to the Gulf region, honoring its unmatched legacy of conquering all terrains. Embodying power and premium quality. The 2022 Patrol 70th anniversary model is more luxurious and connected than ever before, with numerous stylistic and technological advancements. Inspired by Nissan's powerful new design aesthetic, the 2022 Patrol 70th anniversary makes an impressive statement with a new, bold V-motion chrome grille and 20-inch machine-cut alloy wheels. The stylized chrome along the bodywork emphasizes the visual breadth of the vehicle, while the design exudes luxury with a new side fender vent badge branded with the 70th anniversary logo. Drivers and occupants are welcome into a premium cabin where every detail is crafted to heighten the driving experience. Redesigned center console with a high-resolution 12.3-inch infotainment display that offers upgraded wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. A suite of 13 perfectly placed Bose speakers and improved sound isolation. Two new 10.1-inch multimedia screens with wireless headphones and screen mirroring options transform the rear seat entertainment, with multiple USB ports and a wireless charging tray up front. Under the hood, the 2022 Patrol 70th anniversary modes offers drivers a choice of two powerful engines. The base 4.0-liter V6 produces 275 horsepower and 394 Nm of torque, offering a unique combination of power, performance, and efficiency, while the larger 5.6-liter V8 puts out a staggering 400 horsepower and 560 Nm of torque for ultimate performance in the toughest of conditions. Both engines are mated to an advanced 7-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift control that ensures smooth shifts. The 2022 Nissan Patrol 70th anniversary model is now available at Nissan dealerships across the region, with prices starting from AEDs $199,900, inclusive of VAT.